Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Hirsch, and today we are going to be working on a couple of crowns on 14 and 15. Number 14 has some decay on the margin, and there was definitely an open contact between 14 and 15. Number 15 has a failing root canal. It looks like there was a missed mesial buccal canal too. He had some re-decay on the distal of tooth number 14 because there was a diastema space between 14 and 15. So what we plan to do today is to go ahead and do a full crown restoration on 14 and a full crown restoration on 15. We utilized the Isolite because we could go ahead and it just made the procedure go a whole lot smoother and a whole lot faster. I could concentrate on what I was doing and didn't have to worry about anything going down the throat. I didn't have to have my assistant in the mouth evacuating it all. All the water that we're using is evacuated without any additional suctioning from my assistant. Just amazing in how efficient we are and just the overall utilization of my assistant's time and energy. In fact, during this procedure, we had an emergency patient come in. My assistant was able to break away from me, go in. She took an x-ray of the situation, so I feel really comfortable letting my assistant go. It's just leveraging your time and leveraging your assistance that makes this whole thing worth it.